Eidnani is founder and CEO Trend Tech Consultants. And we've got Nitin Murarka joining in, head derivatives at SMC Global Securities. Gentlemen, good morning. Great having all of you with us. Hitesh, let me get charts out of the way first on the Nifty. Went to about 5409. Still not anywhere near the previous 50, the new 52-week high, which was made not very far back. And the market refuses to sell off as well. So 5400 seems to be some sort of an equilibrium level where the market invariably comes back. That's been happening now for 2 or 3 days.
Yes, Nifty has been stuck between this 5350 to 5400 range for the last 7-8 trading sessions. But technically speaking, the charts are bullish now. There's nothing in the charts which suggests that we could break down from here. So there's a high probability of the Nifty breaking out from here to higher levels of 5550, 5600. And this would be the perfect time for bulls to take charge because everybody is still very cautious. People are sitting on the sidelines. People are very bearish. So this would be the perfect time to have a 10 to 15% move in the Nifty from here, taking everybody by surprise because markets take everybody by surprise more often than not.
Nitin, but isn't the market too well hedged?
Of our three voices this morning is the most bullish. When you talked about, on the higher side and the kind of levels 5500 plus achievable, what's the sort of time frame that you're anticipating, or that's a silly question to ask?
See, it's very difficult to predict both price and time. Our charts are pure trend following, so right now the trend is positive. We could see this level coming in the next few days or next few weeks. It's very difficult to say, but all we can say right now is that the charts are bullish. Probability of a trade happening on the upper side is higher than Nifty going below 5250 to 5300 currently.
And what do you think is going to kind of help lead this chart? I mean, just break it down in terms of the heavyweights, Hitesh. Where do you see the maximum traction?
See, currently auto and banking are very, very bullish. There are a lot of results coming in today. Telecom, RCom has given us a buy signal on our charts. Idea Cellular has turned positive. So we can see Telecom also joining the pack. Real estate is still, I would wait 5 to 6% of an up move from here before going long in that. But yes, banking, auto, IT, these come to be very bullish on the charts. Oil and gas has given a major breakout in the last couple of weeks. So that is something that could drag up the index, and Reliance is something that we all are waiting for a breakout because for the index to move significantly, we need Reliance to have a breakout.
Metals saw a big rally yesterday. Flash in the pan or more than that, Hitesh, according to you? Tata Steel, Sesa, Jindal, JSPL, Steel Authority of India, 2.5 to 5% moves there.
Yes, metals are now kind of bounced back from their lows. It is still not a long as per my charts, but yes, we are no more short in metals. It's that kind of transition zone where it could get converted from a bearish to a bullish signal, or it could continue giving a bearish signal again. So I would still wait for a 5 to 7% kind of a sustained move in metals before going long. But yes, the charts are not as bearish as they were a couple of weeks ago.
What happens in the future is an option.
Always, Bianca joins us at this stage with a wrap of everything mixes. As you always bring every morning. Back to our market panel, and let's talk about FMCG for a moment. Hitesh, the charts of ITC and Dabur. I ask about ITC in the context of results that are due today, and I ask about Dabur because here on NDTV Profit we've been reporting how Dabur is gearing up to make its first global acquisition, and that's in Turkey. It's a cosmetics brand in Turkey. So Dabur and ITC on the charts, Hitesh, how are they looking?
ITC is looking very, very bullish currently. I know the results are out today, but overall ITC charts are very, very bullish, and we could initiate fresh longs in ITC. It's given out a very, very clean breakout. Similarly, if you look at Dabur, the charts are very bullish. It's trading at currently around 205 levels, but we could look at going long and seeing a target of around 240 to 250 also in the next couple of months. So both these charts are looking very, very bullish.
Okay, so bullish on ITC and Dabur. Would you have the same view, Parag, especially in the country?
Okay, all right, fair enough. Hitesh, any stocks from you? Any ideas?
Yes, United Spirits is one counter that could keep investors in good spirits. We could enter with a stop loss of 1275 with a target of 1600. Adani Power is another counter which is looking extremely good now. We could enter with a stop loss of 120 and a target of 140. Bajaj Electricals is extremely bullish right now. We could enter with a stop loss of 220 with a slightly medium-term target of 300. And Kadaila Healthcare, in keeping in line with the overall pharma sector, which is bullish, we could enter with a stop loss of 615 and a target of 750.
Okay, interesting names there, interesting calls coming in. Gentlemen, Parag, Hitesh, Nitin, appreciate your time, gentlemen, here this morning on NDTV. Good talking to you and getting those views across as always. Appreciate it.